Have you ever wondered how professional artists add textures to their illustration that makes their artwork stand out? I'll show you exactly how to do that, even as a beginner. Hello, my name is Sonia Yim. I'm a lettering artist and illustrator based in California. My specialty is telling a creative story through my artwork, and I especially love creating something that makes people smile. Using textures in my artwork has helped me tremendously to elevate my illustration to a professional level and shaped my design aesthetics to where I am today. I totally understand that using textures can be intimidating at times, especially as a beginner artist, but I can assure you that it's actually super easy once you get the hang of it. In this class, I will teach you a basic understanding of clipping mask, layer mask, and a blending mode, type of textures you can apply, and a step-by-step guide on how to apply textures using Procreate brushes. This class is designed for beginners, but even as an intermediate level illustrator, I'm sure you can learn a couple of new tips and tricks. Hope to see you inside.